In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the currency on Facebook's Ads Manager. Whether you move to a new country or just want to adjust your account settings, this simple change will help you manage your ads more effectively. Let's get into it. First things first, open your browser and log into your Facebook Ads Manager. You can either go directly to adsmanager.facebook.com or access it through the business suite if you're using that. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that has the Ads Manager you want to modify. Now in the top left corner of the screen, click on three horizontal lines to open the More Tools menu. Scroll down and find the Business Settings option. Click on Business Settings and this will take you to the section where you can modify all your business and account settings. In the Business Settings menu, look for the Payment section. Click on it to go to your payment settings. Here you'll find the details related to your payment settings. You can simply tap on Change Currency or Edit Payment Currency. Under the Payment Settings section, you should see your Add Account Details. Click Edit and you can see your currency and time zone. Simply enter your new currency, and once you've selected that, tap on Create or Save. And that's it, you have successfully changed your currency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.